Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 2012 Volkswagen Passat, how to upgrade your vanity lights to LED lights. The original OEM light, now you see it LED upgrade. So this is the nighttime and this is the original OEM bulb. After upgrading one light, this is the real comparison. You'll see it's nice and bright and very whitish color, and the other one, original one, look yellowish. After replacing one light, it looks so nice. So let me show you after replacing the second one. This is how it looks with the LED upgrade. The vanity lights are very bright and I really like it. And you see the comparison, and let me put it side by side how it looks. This is before and this is after. I'll list the part number under my description, so please check it out in case if you need to upgrade yours. So this is broad daylight and it's very bright. I replaced the vanity light and this is very bright. On the other side was very yellowish light, and I'm going to show you how you can upgrade to LED light. And let's get started. LED upgrade, and this one is original OEM light. So I'm going to replace it. How to open it? It's very easy. Put your thumb and finger and grab it. You see little gap appear. Then from this side, you press it and it will come down, and then you slide it out like this. It will come down. And this is the clip which I was referencing. Press it, okay? Turn it off so the bulb can cool down. Take the bulb off. You push the bulb down a bit and it will come out. So this is the LED bulb and this is the original bulb. We're going to replace it. And make sure that heatsink goes on the top and the LED facing down. So we put it in and we're going to test it now. Very bright. Now you slide it in like this. It goes all the way in and then you press it. It's beautiful LED. The LED upgrade is so easy and so simple. And I'll list the part number under my description in case if you want to upgrade yours. So if you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.